This is the macadamian tree. The macadamian nuts. The tree looks like this, and there are fruits there. It's green when it is not finished. Yeah, that is coffee, the one. This is also macadamian tree. This one, so yeah. And this one is coffee beans. This is coffee beans. There's the macadamian. See, you can see the fruits. Macadamia nuts. So there, all there are fruits. It's green. It's green before it becomes brown, and it's falling down on the ground. And we're going to break it with the stone. There it is, the macadamia tree.